In the coldest, most remote corner of our planet lies a vast desert of ice, thick, silent, and ancient. Antarctica, the frozen continent, is one of Earth's final frontiers. Yet beneath this wilderness of white, many believe there may lie traces of something far older than the ice itself, the remnants of a forgotten supercivilization. Over the past century, scientists, researchers, and explorers have stumbled upon strange anomalies, details hidden within old maps, unusual satellite readings, and geometric structures under the ice that challenge everything we thought we knew about human history. Today, we pull back that veil of frost and examine the evidence piece by piece. One of the earliest and most controversial clues comes from a document created long before Antarctica was officially discovered, the Piri-Reis map, drawn in 1513. At first glance, it appears to be nothing more than a beautifully illustrated naval chart, but a closer inspection reveals something extraordinary. The southernmost landmass on the map appears to match the outline of Antarctica, not as a frozen wasteland, but as an ice-free continent with detailed coastlines, rivers, and mountains, features that could only be known if someone surveyed the land before it became buried under miles of ice. According to modern geology, the last time Antarctica was ice-free was more than 6,000 years ago. So who mapped it, and how? Even more astonishing, the map displays this landmass with near-perfect longitudinal accuracy, an ability humans supposedly didn't develop until the late 1700s. The cartographers of the Ottoman Empire claimed they compiled the map from even older sources, fragments of ancient charts passed down through civilizations long vanished. Some historians argue these may have originated from a culture that predated known human civilizations, possibly one with advanced nautical or geographic knowledge. The idea sounds impossible until we examine the other anomalies scattered across the continent. In the late 20th century, American and European satellites detected unusual patterns beneath the ice, linear formations, geometric outlines, and symmetrical shapes that nature simply doesn't create. In some regions, these structures stretch for kilometers, hidden beneath layers of ice older than human civilization itself. Scientists offered conservative explanations, rock formations, natural fractures, but the precision and regularity of these shapes sparked a wave of alternative theories. Could they be remnants of buildings, walls, or abandoned complexes frozen in time long before recorded history began? In 2001, researchers studying subglacial lakes uncovered another astonishing mystery, Lake Vostok. Buried more than 3,700 meters beneath the surface, it is one of the largest freshwater lakes on Earth. The water within it is believed to have been isolated from the rest of the planet for over 15 million years. Yet, when probes analyzed the lake's magnetic field, something unexpected appeared. A massive magnetic anomaly, hundreds of meters across. Some speculated it might be the remains of something artificial, something metallic, preserved beneath the ancient waters. While mainstream science attributes the anomaly to geological formations, the exact composition remains unknown, leaving plenty of room for speculation. Then came the seismic readings, vibrations deep within the ice sheets that seemed to indicate hollow spaces, tunnels, or caverns large enough to house entire structures. Some suggested these might be natural ice caves. Others argued the symmetry of the signals indicated engineered spaces. If such structures existed, they would have been built or inhabited long before Antarctica became the frozen continent we know today. Which raises the question, who or what was here before us? But perhaps the most compelling evidence comes from the ice itself. Core samples extracted from the deepest regions reveal layers of ash, debris, and microscopic traces of life inconsistent with the continent's current climate.
At certain depths, signs of sudden warming periods appear, climatic shifts that could have exposed the land beneath. If human or pre-human civilizations existed during these periods, they may have left their mark, only for their remnants to later be sealed under the returning ice. Some researchers propose the existence of a so-called antique global civilization, a culture that once spanned continents, leaving behind fragments of knowledge, architecture, and technology. They argue that ancient maps from around the world, Chinese, Greek, and Arab, contain traces of continents and coastlines that match modern geography with uncanny accuracy. If these maps were all derived from a common older source, it could suggest the existence of a lost archive of ancient knowledge, one perhaps created by a civilization capable of global exploration long before recorded history. Yet every mystery invites skepticism. Traditional historians maintain that humans simply lacked the technological capacity to map Antarctica thousands of years ago. They argue that the anomalies are either coincidental, misinterpreted, or the result of natural geological processes. And perhaps they are right. But the world is full of unexplained remnants, ancient structures that defy construction methods of their time, artifacts made with techniques supposedly beyond their era, and myths that speak of fallen civilizations swallowed by water, fire, or ice. Antarctica may be the final piece of a puzzle we have yet to fully understand. As we continue to explore the frozen continent, new technologies, ground-penetrating radar, ice-penetrating satellites, and advanced mapping systems reveal more secrets hidden beneath the ice. Some formations show signs of regularity too deliberate to dismiss. Others hint at vast networks of caverns, tunnels, and potential settlements. Whether natural or artificial, their origins remain in mystery. But one thing is certain: Antarctica is not just a land of ice. It is a vault of ancient secrets, sealed away for millennia. Perhaps one day, as the ice continues to melt and the continent reveals more of its buried past, we will uncover undeniable proof, evidence that rewrites our understanding of human history, evidence that shows we are not the first advanced civilization to walk this earth, nor the last. Until then, Antarctica remains a frozen monument to the unknown, waiting patiently for us to unlock its secrets hidden beneath the endless white.